I can't take it. अब वेदांतु देगा प्रॉब्लम से छुटकारा। समझ आएगा तो मजा आएगा, मजा आएगा तो समझ आएगा।
बेस्ट टीचर्स के गाइडेंस में पढ़ना इजियर होगा।
एग्जाम या होम लाइफ अब से हर स्टूडेंट विनर होगा। समझ आएगा तो मजा आएगा, मजा आएगा तो
Vedantu, learn live online. To attend a free live class, download the app now.
Hi kids, how are you doing? Good morning once again. Welcome to another super informative session. Very informative, very important to take a informed decision session. Yes, I hope you're doing good. I hope you enjoyed the last session and I hope you will pay a lot of attention in today's class. You would be in a right position to take an informed decision. Yes. How are you doing? Excited for this lecture? And don't worry, these small bursts of career counseling shall continue. So I know you're interested in so many other things, nursing, veterinary, physiotherapy, ye wo, all of them are going to keep on continuing in the next few days. Yes, everybody, don't worry about it. I know so many of you want to do only MBBS. I know that. I also want you to do MBBS, but it is very important to have information, right? Only if you have the right information from the right source, tomorrow will you be able to take the right decision, right? इस lecture का ये मतलब नहीं है कि आप MBBS मत कीजिए, right everybody? But it is very important to take a decision based on facts. It is very important to take a decision when you have complete knowledge about it. And also, it is very important to always have a plan B. How many of you agree that you should have a plan B? Your plan A should be MBBS, yes, but you should also have a plan B, because if you don't plan, you are planning to fail. Right everybody? So you should have a good plan B. That's why I'm going to continue these career counseling sessions and talk about so many other options as well. All of them are going to be open through NEET. By choice, हम सब हैं. Telegram group, please join कर दीजिए. Vedantu_biotonic, you will get all the information there. So let's start with veterinary. Come on, right? Veterinary doesn't always mean dogs. Australia and New Zealand have world-renowned zoological parks, have natural parks. South Africa में game rangers होते हैं. South Africa has the world's highest gaming, gaming areas. वहाँ पे national parks को gaming areas types areas होते हैं. Yes, everybody? So you see this? राइट टर्टल कंजर्वेशन तो अब इंडिया में भी आ गई है. चिल्का लेक कंजर्वेशन शुरू हो गई है. रेप्टाइल्स के डॉक्टर. सो वेटनरी डज नॉट मीन ओनली डॉग्स, बट यस, dogs, more and more people are getting dogs into their family. Smaller the family size हो रहा है, right? जब family size smaller हो रहा है, more and more people are spending money getting, great stuff for their dogs. So veterinary sciences is increasing. It's a high paying career. You can have a nice clinic or a shop of yourself, right? So इसके बारे में बात करना शुरू करते हैं. Yes everybody, veterinary sciences के बारे में बात. Birds भी, right everybody? आजकल finches बहुत common है. Although I don't agree with having birds at home. I personally feel birds को नहीं रखना चाहिए, but बहुत लोग रखते हैं, right? So इनका एग्जाम एक ही है. Bachelor of Veterinary Sciences and Animal Husbandry, right? Animal husbandry. Obviously animal husbandry बहुत upcoming field है because biotechnology के साथ linked है. So multiple ovulation, embryo transfer, gene cloning in animals, ये सारी चीजें come under animal husbandry. See, genetics भी है. Genetics and breeding is also there, right? So have you heard of Rosie the cow? Rosie the cow which gives human lactalbumin milk, right? इंडिया में भी इनका क्या स्कोप है, बाहर इनका क्या स्कोप है, सब कुछ आपको बताया जाएगा, right? So genetics में भी BVSC है. ये मत सोचिएगा BVSC is only with animals. Genetics में भी, animal genetics में भी BVSC है. Animal production and management, right? Animals are reared for milk, animals are reared for meat, animals are reared for vaccines, animals are reared for testing. इन सब में भी है veterinary surgery and radiology. Very, very highly paying career in Australia and New Zealand. Right? Vets, especially of veterinary surgery and radiology. इसमें भी BVSC होती है. ये लोगों को पता ही नहीं होता, तो वो BVSC के बारे में सोचते ही नहीं है. BVSC only doesn't mean about animals. You can even have animal surgery and radiology. Sharks, whales, specialists होते हैं, seals, polar bears. You know, people go to Arctic, Antarctic, polar expeditions चलते हैं. Are you aware of polar expeditions? Polar expeditions always have a great vet with them. Veterinary medicine, public health and hygiene. Is that clear? Yes, very good. So this is different options which are available in veterinary. People don't know about them. These are the different options. Now there are very good jobs. Animal inspectors to Government of India job hoti hai. Animal inspectors for farms. Right. Dairy Research Institutes. India has one of the best dairy research institutes, NDRI, National Dairy Research Institute. There are animal hospitals, zoos and wildlife research centers are there. Right. Government projects, especially for animal husbandry, बहुत सारे government projects होते हैं. Right. University में as a lecturer jobs लगती हैं. As a lecturer jobs बहुत options होती हैं. Research scientists, right everybody? So बहुत important अच्छी jobs भी इनकी लगती है. So you must, if you're thinking of veterinary sciences as your part B, you must attend these things. अब relevant industries जहां पे graduates की job लगती हैं. Right? Animal supply companies, this is very important abroad. Animal supply companies होती हैं, animal chain companies होती हैं. Right? Laboratories, very important. National level laboratories, genetic laboratories, testing laboratories, very important. Very, very, very important. Yes, animal feed companies, feed development, feed companies. Yes, research scientists. आपको पता है लाइका was one of the first dogs जिसको स्पेस पे भेजा था. Yes, BUMS की भी मैं बात करूंगी. लाइका was the first dog जिसको स्पेस पे भेजा था. Are you aware about that? BPT के बारे में one more slide is coming. Yes, so animal feed. So research scientists are very important. Space scientists are very important because बहुत सारी companies हैं जो animal research पर काम कर रही हैं, animal cloning पर काम कर रही हैं. Right? Harvesting of organs of animals पे काम कर रही हैं. Veterinary colleges in India. Indian Veterinary Research Institute, IVRI, गुरु अंगद देव वेटनरी एंड एनिमल साइंसेज यूनिवर्सिटी. मैंने सिर्फ 3 बोले, बहुत सारे हैं. तमिलनाडु वेटनरी एंड एनिमल साइंस यूनिवर्सिटी. These are one of the top veterinary colleges of our country. Is that clear? IVRI is one of the top medical colleges of our country for veterinary sciences. Any doubts? Any doubts, guys? कुछ भी पूछना है, please make sure that you have any doubts. You can ask me. Yes, IVRI में UG नहीं होता है, IVRI में सिर्फ PG होता है, but ये top veterinary colleges है for both UG as well as PG. चलिए, reasons to become a veterinary scientist. This is just the stipend. अगर आप कॉलेज में हो, this is just your stipend. जब आप कॉलेज में internship वगैरह कर रहे हो, and this is your लगभग starting salary. If you open your own clinic, in lakhs you can earn in month. Yes, is that clear? Right? अगर आप अपना खुद का क्लिनिक चलाओगे तो the salary can be very high. So with that let's move to Ayurveda. Ayurveda तो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. अगर आपने कभी भी टॉप होटल्स जो इंडिया के सबसे प्रीमियर ताज, you know, Oberoi's top hotels देखें, so they always have a Ayurvedic area, spa area. This is one of the biggest reasons of medical tourism. India is like India bola, so Ayurveda. One of the biggest reasons for medical tourism in India is Ayurveda. राइट, स्पेशली केरला आपको पता है स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट कॉलेजेस है, स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट आयुर्वेदिक हॉस्पिटल्स हैं, एंड इट इज वेरी वेरी गुड. पतंजलि itself is a multi-million-dollar company now. Yes, so BAMS is very 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 good. चलिए for BAMS. Now पतंजलि, आप जैसे कह रहे थे हिमालय ड्रग कंपनी, चरक फार्मा, हमदर्द लैबोरेटरीज, बैद्यनाथ, वीको, right, Zandu Pharmaceuticals, Dabur, these are all international brands and all of them hire people जिन्होंने BAMS या post graduation in Ayurveda किया है. Very important. Yes everybody, Sanskrit is not a main criteria for this. Obviously first term में आपको थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ना पड़ेगा, but उसके बाद it is not a main criteria for it. Please click a snapshot. So these are the top recruiters for BAMS. Top Ayurveda colleges, Gujarat Ayurveda University, Institute of Medical Sciences, BHU में है Medical Sciences, very 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 good BHU college, and IP University New Delhi में है, right? But सबसे important BHU का है. Is that clear? Is that clear? Right? Now this is the starting salary in college. कॉलेज की ये वो सैलरीज है जो मिनिमम आप कॉलेज में जिनमें स्टार्ट करते हैं. मेडिकल टूरिज्म वगैरह जो है, मेडिकल टूरिज्म, उसकी सैलरीज आर लैक्स ऑफ रुपीज. अगर आपकी अपनी कोई आयुर्वेदिक हॉस्पिटल है या आयुर्वेदिक कंपनी है, वेरी गुड. यस एवरीबडी, वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट. अब आ जाइए आप होम्योपैथी पे. होम्योपैथी तो बहुत इंटरनेशनल जगहों पर रिकॉग्नाइज्ड है. जर्मनी, यूरोप, नॉर्थ अमेरिका, कनाडा, बहुत ज्यादा इंटरनेशनली रिकॉग्नाइज्ड है. महाराष्ट्र ऑल्सो हैज सम वेरी वेरी गुड कॉलेजेस फॉर आयुर्वेदा. चलिए, सो करियर ऑप्शंस, डॉक्टर, प्राइवेट प्रैक्टिस होम्योपैथ्स की बहुत अच्छी चलती, कंसल्टेंट्स, राइट. एमबीबीएस करने के बाद भी आई नो सम पीपल जिन्होंने होम्योपैथी किया एंड दे काइंड ऑफ कंसल्ट, right, pharmacist, researchers, public health specialist, right everybody. Public health specialist एक open area में you can have a doctor, a dentist, a ayurvedic, a homeopathic, so public setup हो सकता है. Employment sectors for homeopathy, right everybody. बहुत charitable institutes होते हैं जिनमें होम्योपैथी के clinics होते हैं, medical colleges, ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट्स, रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट्स, स्टेट डिस्पेंसरीज में होम्योपैथिक होता है. सो अगेन वेरी, ये तीनों ही बहुत हाईली एम्प्लॉयबल सेक्टर्स हैं. ऐसे सेक्टर्स हैं जिनमें एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी का चांस बहुत ज्यादा है, बहुत ज्यादा है, राइट. नाउ टॉप रिक्रूटर्स, मेदांता, लाल पैथ लैब्स, मैक्स हेल्थ केयर, ग्लोबल, अपोलो, इन सब में भी होम्योपैथी के डॉक्टर्स की अपॉइंटमेंट की जाती है, right? So these are the top recruiters for this. Top homeopathic colleges are Bharatiya Vidyapeeth, Madhav University and Maharaj Institute of Medical Sciences. Now see बेटा, अभी इनकी कट ऑफ की बात करते हैं, करेक्ट. अब हम इनके कट ऑफ की बात करते हैं. देखो बेटा, इसमें तो गवर्नमेंट सैलरी भी लगती है. मिनिमम स्टार्टिंग सैलरी 20,000 है, और जब गवर्नमेंट जॉब की सैलरी तो इट गोज अप टू 35,000 रुपीज